Can you believe it, B? We just walked all the way up that thing. Well, good morning. It is morning. It is 2 a.m. It is a exciting day today because we are going to climb up Mount Batur, which is an active volcano here in Bali. I think it's the highest point in Bali, and we're going to look for our driver who is picking us up. We found this experience on Airbnb, and now it's 2 a.m. We're going to get in a car, the guy's going to pick us up and he's going to drive us to the bottom of the mountain. Yes. Which is more comfortable?
It's depend on you. I will have you.
I think, yeah, it's easier if we do that.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
First thing.
Anytime.
Everybody here does know my bro.
This guy's very friendly.
Yeah, the guys are friendly, very nice, very helpful. And, well, now we're just waiting for the other two guests to go. And now I'm gonna try to sleep because I think it's like an hour and a half to get there.
Where's the button? The button. Underneath?
Yeah.
There it is. Alright. How's it be? Hello. Good morning. Huh. What do you think?
Oh, well, it's very slippery. And I don't know, just not fit for...
It's more crowded than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, a lot of people.
But, especially for low season, but I think it's just because it's Sunday.
Yeah,
That's just a random guess. Ready?
let's go, yeah.
Good? B, we made it.
What do you think?
This is well worth it. This is so worth it. The view of everything is just breathtaking, and it actually makes it better. That actually doesn't make it better, but it adds an element that it's still cloudy, so because we're above the clouds. You can see the clouds over the whole island.
Gente, olha uma cacada, chegaram.
Yeah.
Olha, gente. Loucura, né? You're all gonna drink it all.
No.
Oh, this is very warm. We're just in the steam part of the volcano, I guess.
Yeah, that's exactly where we are, mate.
Oh, yeah.
You make eruption.
Can you believe it, B? We just walked all the way up that thing.
I know, I can't believe it. I don't know how I done it because my legs are dead right now. I underestimate again, because it's what we do all the time. We underestimate things, and this trail was much worse than I thought it would be.
It's tough.
It was tough, yeah. Well, I mean, Jesus, I didn't think it was easy.
It was fairly tough. It was not long, but fairly intense.
Yeah, it was short and intense.
But look, doesn't look like it's a short way away.
No.
And doesn't look like it should be easy.
No.
We just did it. Just did all the way
Yes, and now it's just
up
like
that mountain.
7:20 a.m. Still a whole day to enjoy. Maybe sleep.
I had a few tumbles on the way down. Knees are feeling it a wee bit, but that was good.
Yeah.
That was good.
As I get in the top, it's just very nice. So we will.